Hello everyone, welcome to KV Maths. We have already completed two parts of real numbers and now let's enter into the third part. In third part, I want to explain you example 1. So let's see the example 1. Read the question until you understand it. Show that every positive integer is in the form 2q and every odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Let's read it again. Show that every positive integer is in the form 2q and every odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1. Okay. Now let's solve this problem. Solution. Let a be any positive integer. Any positive integer. And b equals to 2. It is given in the question. Okay. See. B equals to 2. Okay. By Euclid's division lemma, if you don't know the Euclid's division lemma, I have explained in the last part. I mean part 2. Watch it. I'll give you in the description. A equals to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Therefore, A equals to 2Q plus R. It is given like this, and 0 less than or equals to R less than 2, because here B equals to 2. So, then we can simply say that R equals to either 0 or 1. Okay, it's very simple. R equals to 0 or 1. Okay. Now let's check it. If R equals to 0, let's see what will happen if R equals to 0. Then A equals to 2Q plus 0, and it simply says that A equals to 2Q. We can say that every integer when multiplied with 2, it gives even number. Then simply A equals to even. We have proved this. And still there is another question, right? The another question is if R equals to 1. Let's see what will happen if R equals to 1. Then A equals to 2Q plus 1. We have already told that A equals to 2Q. Then it is even. If A equals to 2Q, then A equals to even. If even plus 1 gives you odd number. Hope you understood this. I will explain you again. Therefore, even integer in the form 2q and odd integer in the form 2q plus 1. I will explain you again. See, let's watch it again. The question is given like if show that every positive integer is in the form 2q and every odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1. I'll highlight them. See, every positive integer is in the form 2q and every odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1. Okay. Let a be any positive integer and it is given that b equals to 2. Okay. By Euclid's division lemma, a equals to pq plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. The question is given like a equals to 2q plus r and 0 less than or equals to r less than 2 because b equals to 2. Then we can simply say that r equals to 0 or 1. Okay, we have to check whether if r equals to 0. If a equals to 2q plus 0, a equals to 2q, then a is an even integer. If r equals to 1, a equals to 2q plus 1. We have already know that 2q is an even. Even plus 1 gives you odd number. Therefore, even integer is in the form 2q and odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1. Okay. Now let's see second example. This is the second example. Second question is, show that every odd integer is in the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. Okay, let's do this sum. Let's read the question again. Show that every odd integer is in the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. Let's do this. Let a be any positive integer and b equals to 4 by Euclid's division lemma, a equals to bq plus r where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Question is given like a equals to 4q plus r. Therefore, 0 less than or equals to r less than 4. Wait a minute. Okay. A equals to 4q plus r and 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Then r equals to either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. I have just confused. Okay, 3. So let's check if r equals to 0. Then a equals to 4q plus r. Then it gives a equals to 4q plus 0. If any number divided by 4, it gives even number. So a equals to even. Simple. Now let's check if r equals to 1. A equals to 4q plus r. If we substitute the values, we get a equals to 4q plus 1. We got that if a equals to 4q, we get even number. Then Even plus 1 gives you odd number. So A equals to odd. Or simply you can write it as 4q plus r. Okay. I'll tell you after doing this in a simple manner. If r equals to 2, A equals to 4q plus r. By substituting we get A equals to 4q plus 2. 4q is a even number and adding 2 to the even number gives you a even number. So A equals to even. Very simple. And let's do the sum by substituting r equals to 3. If r equals to 3, A equals to 4q plus r. A equals to 4q plus 3. Adding plus 3 to the even number gives you odd number. So A equals to odd number. Very simple sums. Okay, I will tell you in a simple manner. As we have solved the first sum, in first sum we got like, wait, I will tell you. In first sum we got 2, 2q is an even number. Okay. We can change, let's change every value into 2q. See, if r equals to 0, gives you 4q plus 0. Okay. Take 2 as common. Okay. Take 2 as common. Then you will get A equals to 2 into 2q plus 0. 2q plus 0 is A equals to 2 into 2q. We know that 2q is we got the 2q is an even number. So multiplying into 2 to the even number gives you an even number. So A equals to even. So in the same way, let's do if r equals to 1. This is a simple manner to understand. If r equals to 1, then we will get like A equals to 4q plus 1. Okay. Now A equals to 2 into 2q. Sorry. A equals to 2 into 2q plus 1. So A equals to, we know that 2 into 2q is an even number, even plus 1. So A equals to odd number. Sorry, A equals to odd number. Very simple. So if r equals to 2, if r equals to 2, A equals to 4q plus 2. Then A equals to, taking 2 as common, we get 2q plus 1. Multiplying any integer with 2 gives you an even number. So even. If r equals to 3, so it gives A equals to 4q plus 3. A equals to, taking 2 as common, 2 into 2q plus 3. A equals to, we know that 2 into 2q is an even number, even plus 3. We know even plus 3 gives you an odd number. So A equals to odd number. Okay, this is a simple manner. So any positive odd integer is in the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q be any integer. Okay, that's all for this part. I have created a WhatsApp group so you can join it. I'll give you the group link in the description. And also, if you didn't subscribe, just subscribe it and hit the like button. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, just keep it in the comments. Or if you want to contact me, you can come to the group and you can contact me. Okay, thank you for watching. I will tell live classes if the subscribers are more than 100. Okay, thank you.